Are you eager to explore the realm of passive income? In today's world, diversifying your income streams is not just a good idea, it's essential. So buckle up as we delve into the top 10 ways to earn passive income in 2024. Starting off at number 1, we have investing in stocks. This is a classic method of earning passive income. As a shareholder, you'll earn a portion of the company's profits in the form of dividends. It's like owning a slice of a big corporate pie, and you get to eat it too. Next up, number 2, real estate investment. This isn't just about buying property and selling it for a higher price. It also includes renting out properties for a steady flow of income. Yes, being a landlord can be a lucrative business. Moving on to number 3, peer-to-peer lending. This online platform allows you to lend your money to others in return for interest. It's like being a bank, but without the brick and mortar hassle. Number 4 on our list is creating a blog or a YouTube channel. With consistent quality content, you can attract a steady stream of followers. Ad revenue and sponsorships will follow, filling your pockets while you sleep. Coming in at number 5 is writing a book or an ebook. Once published, every sale generates income, so let your creativity flow and pen down your thoughts. At number 6, we have creating an online course. If you're an expert in a particular field, why not share your knowledge and earn from it? Websites like Udemy or Coursera make this process a breeze. Number 7, developing an app. In this digital age, there's an app for everything. Identify a need, develop an app, and watch the money roll in. At number 8, we have affiliate marketing. Promote other people's products on your platform and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral. Number 9, drop shipping. Set up an online store, collaborate with suppliers, and sell products without having to stock or ship them yourself. Finally, at number 10, licensing a patent. If you have a unique product or idea, patent it. You can then license your patent to companies and earn royalties. To summarize, the top 10 ways to earn passive income in 2024 are investing in stocks, real estate investment, peer-to-peer lending, creating a blog or YouTube channel, writing a book or an ebook, creating an online course, developing an app, affiliate marketing, dropshipping, and licensing a patent. Remember, each method requires research, time, and sometimes an initial investment. But the potential rewards are tremendous. So why wait? Start your journey towards passive income today. And while you're at it, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to Buke's World for more tips and insights. Click on the bell icon to stay tuned for more. If you'd like to support this channel, you can donate via the Cash App link in the description. Every bit counts, but remember, it's never required. Your support through likes, shares, and subscribes is what truly fuels this channel. Here's to your financial freedom. Cheers.